The following is a Dave Madsen Summer Classics video. It may contain content, language, flashing lights, and or loud noises, which may be unsuitable for younger viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Dave Madsen Entertainment Inc. presents Dave Madsen Summer Classics.
Well, Sparky, this is your new home.
I like it. I like you. I like everything. I like this chew toy.
Redo that.
John faced nearly fatal car accident. Struggled with alcohol following his brother's death, hitting a major blow. This served as a turning point in his sobriety and personal growth. He's in a long-term committed relationship.
DMM 728 Part 3 presents the NBC Peacock Sabri Sneezing Fit. Gesundheit. Gesundheit. I said Gesundheit. Alright, already. Mr. Peacock looked back at me, you got a bad cold. You shouldn't have so much pepper. I think you need a doctor, Mr. Peacock. Oh, knock it off! Stop sneezing! Will you stop sneezing? Ew, that's a relief. Not again! Where's my handkerchief? I hope they're soppy because the only handkerchief I got. No, it didn't. Just because not all over my clean floor. Maybe you need a little sneezing powder. My mistake. That's not sneezing powder, that's gunpowder. Look out, everybody. The bird's gonna blow. Boo. I warned him. He wouldn't listen. At least we stopped his sneezing fit. Wise guy. Yeah. A DMN 728 Part 3 presentation.
Here.
I'm so glad you're here, Sparky. So, what
Mr. Pig tastes like?
Right here.
Tastes like Mr. Pig.
Now this beautiful thing.
Busted. Nice.
NBC Sneak Sauce Sabri Seasoning Fit. Originally produced by March 9th of 2010.
This has been a Dave Madsen Entertainment Inc. production.
And